Here's what that 135K is. It's a time your team spends every month logging into Google Ads, Meta, GA4, Shopify, copying numbers out, pasting them into spreadsheets, reformatting everything, and then doing it all over again for the next client. We work with hundreds of agencies. This is the single biggest cost nobody budgets for. I'm going to show you exactly where it goes, why it keeps repeating, and how to make it disappear. But here's what caught us off guard. One agency that fixed this told us they didn't just save time. They started catching underperforming campaigns days earlier. Reporting went from their biggest headache to the thing protecting their revenue. I'll show you how. Think about what actually happens on reporting day. You open Google Ads, copy, switch to a spreadsheet, then paste. Go back to Meta, then copy, paste, GA4, Shopify, reformat the columns, update the dates, export as PDF, email it off. Then open the next tab and do the whole thing for the client too. The reason this never gets better is simple. There's no live connection between your data and your report. The human is the connection. Every new client you sign adds another loop. At $50 to $100 an hour, 15 to 20 hours a month. That's your 135K. And 96% of agencies never charge clients a cent for it. So, the fix is straightforward. You need a live connection between your data sources and your report. Here's how you actually set that up. 2-minute reports connects over 30 platforms. Google Ads, Meta, GA4, Shopify, SEO tools, and pulls live data directly into Google Sheets or Looker Studio. The tools you already use. You connect your data sources once, pick a template, or build your own layout, and the report populates itself. No new platform, no rebuilding what you already have. But here's where it gets interesting. And this is the part I mentioned at the start. Once the report is built, you schedule it daily, weekly, monthly, whatever the client needs. The data refreshes on its own. The report delivers itself. You don't touch it again. This is exactly what Astronaut Party, an e-commerce agency managing brands across Shopify and Amazon, did. Before, the data was scattered across every platform with no single view. Now, they get daily reports across all their brands without pulling a single number manually. And because the data updates every day, they catch underperforming campaigns in days instead of weeks. That's the shift. Reporting stops being a cost center and starts being the system that makes your agency sharper. If you want to see exactly how to set this up step by step, that's the next video. We walk through the full setup in under 3 minutes. Click here.